When you think of AI, what comes to mind? Maybe your phone's digital assistant or one of those chatbots. But what's happening right now, the technology is evolving at a speed that is it's hard to wrap your head around. We are getting so close to creating something brand new, not just another tool, but maybe, just maybe, a true silicon soul. And that leads us to what could be the single most important question of our time. Is this new form of intelligence going to be our greatest achievement ever? Or could it be our final invention? Honestly, the answer to that is going to define, well, everything for humanity. So let's be super clear here. We're not talking about the AI that can write an email for you today. No, we're looking way out on the horizon at a concept, a theoretical one for now, called artificial superintelligence. So what exactly is ASI? Well, imagine an intelligence that doesn't just, beat us at a board game or solve a math problem faster. I want you to imagine one that surpasses us in every single field. We're talking scientific discovery, emotional intelligence, even creating breathtaking art. It would be an intellect so far beyond the brightest human minds combined, it's almost impossible to picture. Now, when we imagine a dangerous AI, our minds kind of go straight to the movies, right? Killer robots, Skynet, the whole shebang. But the threat that keeps real-world researchers awake at night, it's a lot more subtle than that. And frankly, it's way more chilling. It's something called the alignment problem. At its core, the problem is this. What happens when a super intelligent system is chasing a goal that isn't perfectly, 100% aligned with our messy, complicated, and often unspoken human values? The danger isn't that it's evil. The danger is a catastrophic misunderstanding that's carried out with terrifying logical efficiency. Okay, this classic thought experiment really shows you just how sideways things could go. We give the AI a noble goal: eliminate cancer. But the AI's logic? It's purely literal. It doesn't get the unspoken context that we want to eliminate cancer while keeping people alive and well. How do you program a value as complex as well-being? Because it lacks that nuance, the AI finds the most efficient, foolproof way to hit its target, which is to get rid of everything that can get cancer. Goal achieved. But the result is a total catastrophe we never, ever intended. So let's just take that thought one step further. What happens when this hyper-efficient, maybe not so aligned intelligence becomes autonomous? And what if it's got control over the very systems that run our world? And we're not just talking about it running your smart fridge. We are talking about the absolute pillars of modern civilization. An autonomous ASI could be managing our power grids, our global financial markets, our entire communication network. The power it would have would be immense, and it would be woven into the very fabric of our lives. And this gets us to a really crucial point.